Okay. Hi guys. Today we're gonna be playing. Don't press the button. I'm sorry. Sorry guys. That was my recording I just made before. But once it's loading. Yeah. Also, by the way. Oh my! Why am I just lying down? Look it up! No, bro. What who does that, bro? What? How are they so fast then? Well, anyway, hello guys. Welcome to Game 3. The Voodoo. I not but not but. And also, by the way, I'm gonna make all parts 1 to 5 because of something. So that was I'm gonna combine all parts together, so that will be season 1. So I'll make a season 1. So what? Parts 1 to 5 is season 1, but there's no more seasons that I'm gonna be adding, and it's gonna be coming today. Let me see. Okay. Thank you. Just the idea. It worked. Okay, I just reported her, so I think she will get burned. Bruh, someone got the pylon. Wait. Got it. Minecraft. Wait, you're playing Minecraft in Roblox? No. No, don't you think that. One more wait, what? Lucky. No. And also, by the way, guess what? This is it for today, so I will see you guys later in part 5. Actually, this is the last part, actually. See you later.